Hello, in this video we're gonna find out if Motorola Moto E22 have a stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is right here on top of your screen. This one. Next is on the bottom right here, and that's basically it. No other speakers anywhere on this device. So now, to determine if that's a stereo or mono speakers, we need to play a music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound will be coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So the clear answer is that the sound is coming from top speaker and the bottom speaker, and that means this device has a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.